and therefore it makes it maybe, I don't want to say simpler or easier, but more so accepting it as a human being is like having an example, you know? So let's say that an average retail trader, I go trade, I have no one around me who's trading millions or tens of millions or hundreds of millions or anything of that, anything close to that.
I think that's a good point, because I think retail trading can be quite a lonely world, because you are sitting in front of your screens or your phone or whatever it may be. Working on a trading desk, you got something to bounce ideas around. Am I missing something here? What am I not seeing? But in terms of the size, the most commonly asked question at Goldman was, are you big enough? Because if you generate this idea and you've got this track record, how big should we be? Are you big enough? And that's the question that everybody should ask themselves. If I've done the work and I really think this is a good idea, do I have enough risk involved in that idea? Because what's the point of doing the work? You're not going to make any money. Does that make sense?
That makes complete sense.